Morning guys, nandito ako sa Bohol at balita ko mag-a-announce na daw si Casimero. May nag-message sa akin, ready na daw i-announce ang next na laban. Pag-usapan natin 'yan. Sabihin ko rin sa inyo bakit sa dami-dami ng critics ni Eman at saka ni Jimmy Pacquiao, why am I proud of them? At Pacquiao updates, yung Jazz Matter, actually first time kong narinig 'yon. Sino ba 'to? Ano ba yung detalye ng laban at merong mga kumakalat din na balita na unconfirmed na I do not know really what's happening, kung ano mangyayari sa kanyang laban kasi sina Sports Talk, sina Boy Baka naglabas ng balita na baka daw hindi matuloy yung laban kay Pervondikov. Ano ba talaga nangyayari?
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Speaking of hindi matuloy, sana matuloy lahat ng laban for tomorrow. Weigh-in mamaya dyan po sa dito sa PMI. So Eman Baco sa Pacquiao and then AJ Pasiones, Nathaniel Doronia dyan sa Manila. So good luck po sa lahat. At unang-una, may nagbalita sa akin. Kasi meron muna tayo, okay? O mamaya na yung kasi meron. Gusto nyo malaman? Eman muna tsaka Jimwell. Alam mo, this morning na-realize ko why I'm proud of these two young boxers na anak ni Manny Pacquiao. Alam ko marami nagkikriticize sa kanila, nagko-compare sa tatay. Pero yung hirap talaga eh. Pag tatay mo, legend. I mean, yung anak ni Michael Jordan, yung anak ni LeBron James, yung anak ni Julio Cesar Chavez were always gonna be compared to the father. But for them to do this sports, lalo na boxing when they don't really need to, si Jimwell, may pera, si Eman, artista na. I mean, they don't really need to fight. Ibig sabihin, they actually really love boxing. So that's why I'm proud of them. They're really passionate about it. Now, ibang usapan sa skills, no? The skills may not be the same, but ibig sabihin puso nila nandoon. And that's one of the most important thing. Now, may mga nagsasabi kasi na wala namang future yan sa ganito. Who are you to say that? And these guys are still young. They can still develop, they can still train, they can still improve. And naniniwala ako doon. Mahirap lang talaga magsabi pag ang comparison mo yung tatay. Talagang ikaw naman, kahit sino naman i-compare mo ko sa tatay, kahit sino ang boxer ngayon, kahit di anak, mahihirapan eh. But, I'm proud of them even though, kasi ang mahirap sa ganon, may expectation na kagad yung mga tao dahil dala mo yung Pacquiao, yung mukha, yung katawan na you have to be great. So, siguro all I can say is that yung mga haters ni na Jimwell and na Eman, um, wala naman ang magagawa. Pero siguro silang dalawa talaga. They just do what they do. Pag may haters ka, you're just doing your thing. The reason kaya haters sila. Pero I'm proud of them. Just continue to box until ayaw mo na, until hindi mo na kaya. But the thing is, I mean, they have options, right? They have options. Pwede silang hindi mag-boxing. And that's when you know that they really love the sport. And I think they bring new fans to the sport na kailangan natin. Kaysa yung puro hardcore, maraming kasi nagrereklamo din na boxer, bakit pinapansin sila? Obviously, kasi marketable sila. Kasi ang boxing, negosyo din, kailangan marketable. Kung hindi ka sikat, kung hindi ka charismatic, paano ka panonoodin ng fans? So, sila, merong ganon. No, advantage nila yun kasi Pacquiao sila, but, ganon talaga ang buhay. 'Di ba? So, I hope you guys understand that why I am proud of them. And regarding naman kay Casimero, truly, gusto ko na sanang i-announce nila yung laban nila. May nagsabi lang sa akin na baka anytime soon na kasi malapit na yung laban eh. Siguro inaayos lang talaga yung mga konting detalye. Actually, may idea na ako. Ang hirap lang ilabas. Pero siguro yung issue kay Casimero, ah, patapos na rin naman ang career ng boxer dahil ilan laban na lang, may edad na rin. So, mas maganda, suportahan na lang din natin. I hope talaga matuloy yung big fights. Okay? So, good luck Casimero. Training ka lang, enjoy ka lang, and haters will be haters, and critic will be critic. I'm one of your critic, but, I'm gonna give you fair shake. Moving forward, ayusin na lang, no? No. So, regarding kay Pacquiao, last na to. Kasi kailangan ko na maligo. Uh, there's a alleged story no, na lumalabas ngayon sa ESPN na may problema daw, hindi daw officially book yung Provodnikov. Although there's a mention of it, ibig sabihin ginagawa nila yan ng paraan na matuloy, pero meron daw hindi daw nakabook. So naguguluhan ako dito kasi in-announce, tapos sabihin din ng Jazz Matter na first time ko naguguluhan yung tao, Jazz Matter, Sean Gibbons, president kasi si Sean, tapos CEO. Usually kasi CEO and president is the same. This one is a little bit different. So I'm not quite sure, but hopefully matuloy lahat. Hopefully matuloy yung kay Floyd Mayweather, yun ang inaabangan ko. Yeah, so sa mga nanonood pala dito, I am planning to go to Vegas. I need your help. If you can help me in any way, please reach out to me via an email, inquiry@paucas.net, and hopefully we can watch and cover Manny Pacquiao sa Vegas sa September. But whatever is happening is behind the scene. I hope it can all be figured out at maayos lahat yan. So, yun lang guys. Good luck kay Eman at saka si Jimwell. May laban sila pareho bukas, February 28. Ang date pareho sa Amerika, February 28 din, pero March 1 na dito yan, yung laban sa New York. And yun, salamat sa mga, or good luck sa mga lalaban. Nathaniel Doronia at saka AJ Pasiones, kanino kayo? At saka si Reggie Suganov, lalaban din kay Beleni. Dito yan ang papanoodin ko. Kiling ko kayang-kaya niya yan. So, lastly, kung umabot ka hanggang dito sa dulo, kung may kaibigan kang taga Bohol, ikaw taga Bohol, samahan nyo rin ako bukas sa Bohol Cultural Center, PMI, Bohol Boxing, Kumumbulan ng 24, Reggie Suganov versus Beleni, and of course, Eman Bacosa versus Kundima. Yan ang magkalaban. See you guys. Pa-comment po, what do you think about Eman and Jimwell boxing, kung kayo ba agree or disagree, yung kay Casimero at syempre kay Pacquiao.